Alright, find the area of a circle. We know the formula is pi radius squared. If we can find the radius, then we'll know the area of the circle. So we need to find the radius. We are given the area of this green shaded sector, and that area is a fraction of the whole area. What fraction is this green shaded region of the entire circle, pi r squared? Well, it's not 50 3/60ths. It's 310 3/60ths. 360, a full revolution, minus the 50 gives us this blue rotation. So that's a big chunk of 360 degrees. That's because this green sector is a big chunk of the whole area, the whole circle's area. All right, so the sector's area, 56.87, is 310 3/60ths of the entire circle's area, which is pi r squared. Now remember, to answer this question, we need to know what r is. So we need to find this variable r. So if we can enter this into our calculator properly, we should get that 310 divided by 360 times pi is about 2.705. And that's all in front of r squared. So now we'll divide by that. And that's about 21.022. Finally, we take the square root of both sides. And that's how we find r. And it's approximately the square root of 21.022, which is 4.585. All right, now that we know the radius, we can answer the question. The area of circle M, pi r squared, is pi times 4.585-ish squared.